Corporate transaction documents shouldn't take hours to create. On Avvoka, drafting complex contracts can be made by simply filling out a questionnaire and seeing your first draft automate in real time. You can automate something simple like a board minute or shareholder resolution to all the way up to an SPA shown here. You can click through multiple sections and schedules of the SPA questionnaire in order to build the document that you desire. This was produced using our intuitive automation builder, which requires no coding that lawyers can use with a few minutes training. All it requires is that the lawyer highlights the parts of the contract that need to be bespoke in each separate draft. The questionnaire that you're asked is dynamic and will get more or less complicated based on the answer you give. We can see it expanding or contracting on the right-hand side here. Small, intricate details can be driven by the questionnaire, and the inclusion and exclusion of the whole sections and clauses can be dictated by the answers too. One question can make sweeping changes, altering one part of the contract, as well as consequential amendments throughout the contract. As you can see, this change in the completion conditions has impacted the competition section and definition within the main body of the agreement. Should the answers to given questions necessitate drafting other related documents, that can automatically happen in the background via workflows based on the data that we are inputting within this questionnaire. Should some of these questions be answerable by a corporate associate that you require input from, in this case, competition counsel, you can allocate certain sections of the questionnaire to those colleagues, and they can actually complete that section of the questionnaire independently and concurrently. When the questionnaire is complete, your first draft is generated within seconds, and you can either continue to collaborate on the platform or download the document in a Word file in your perfectly formatted house style. The questionnaire is not final. If you make a mistake or would like to revisit it, you're able to do that easily. Once you have drafted a number of contracts using Avvoka, you can run analytics to show how a particular precedent is typically negotiated or drafted. For instance, what we are looking at here is an aggregated view of how every single draft of this SPA has been negotiated. If I click here, we can see that this clause has been manually marked up, which means it's either contentious, confusing, or contains errors. This is a very useful tool in two regards. These market insights can be used to take to clients to help them achieve better commercial outcomes and to differentiate your expertise. Secondly, you can use this information to further hone your standard contract precedents. If you'd like to see your corporate documents automated during a bespoke demo, please get in touch.